So here are my top 5 locations to paddle with in Cornwall. So one of my favourite places to paddle for starting out and just getting used to being on a board is over in Bude on the sea pool. It's a really nice place because the water's relatively flat, but you've got amazing views of stunning sunsets across there. And if we were to move along the coast a little bit and I wanted to do something a little bit different, the Camel Estuary is a really interesting paddle, and you can paddle from either Rock or Padstow, and you can paddle in towards Wadebridge depending on the tides. So that is a tidal dependent river, so it's worth making sure that you know what you're doing when you're on the water there. And then down over onto the south coast, out of Looe Harbour is a really nice place, and there's some really nice spots to go around and look around there. Great wildlife as you're out on the water. We've also got part of the Tamar River, the lower sections of the Tamar is really nice, and there's some really nice little put-ins where you can use the tide to help you go along as you're paddling. And if you want something that's completely different and you want to be able to paddle across the border of the county, over at Tamar Lake you can paddle from Devon on one side all the way and into Cornwall. So depending on which way you like your cream tea, you can have both.